As you can see, this is the carburetor of the Hero Honda Citan ZSS. You can see the dirt and the greasy material is attached on the carburetor and need to be cleaned. The carburetor float chamber is continuously leaking due to the float chamber gasket has worn. The mechanic had applied the 3-bond sealant on that carburetor float chamber and prevent the leakage, but after few months there is a continuous leakage of the fuel supply from the float chamber. So in this video I will show you how to clean the carburetor as well as how to clean the outside dirt of the carburetor with the help of petrol as well as the thinner. Here, as you can see, I am dismantling the bolt of the carburetor and dismantling the accelerator cable of the carburetor. After removing the bolt, remove the carburetor with the help of flattened screwdriver from the air filter pipe. As you can see the dust and the greasy material on the carburetor. See how it's dirty now. The air cleaner screw, as you can see, is completely become one and the venturi of the carburetor has become also dirty. Now here I am dismantling the carburetor float chamber and removing the screw of the carburetor with the Phillips end screwdriver. The person who had serviced the carburetor before had applied the sealant on the float chamber, so it is very hard to remove it. In order to remove the float chamber from the carburetor, I will hammer the float chamber with the help of screwdriver and then it will get removed. As you can see, the previous mechanic had applied the 3-bond sealant on the carburetor float chamber and the packing is also worn. As you can see, the float chamber is completely dirty and due to this 3-bond sealant the float chamber is leaking the petrol. Now as you can see, the float is also damaged as well as the needle pin also get damaged. So I will show the old float pin as well as the new float pin in this video. This is the old float pin which is completely worn out. As you can see, this pin point having the spring action is very less. So this float pin has to be replaced with a new one. The spring action and the starting point of the needle is 1, so it need to be replaced. The cost of this float pin is around 160 rupees. Genuine float pin is around 160 rupees. Now you can see this one is the new one. I have brought. The spring action is very well and it will work properly now in the carburetor. So this carburetor had to replace the float chamber gasket, float pin as well as the float. Before cleaning the carburetor, I have to clean the carburetor internally as well as externally with the help of petrol as well as the thinner. Before cleaning the carburetor internally, I will clean the carburetor with the help of the polish paper or emery paper, because the previous mechanic has applied a 3-bond sealant and if we directly applied the new gasket then there will be no use. With the help of petrol and the emery paper, I will clean this sealant. As you can see, I am cleaning this float chamber with the help of the screwdriver and there is a sealant coming out from that float chamber. Before using the new gasket, we have to clean the float chamber and the other component completely. If this dirt doesn't remove, then it will stuck in that carburetor. So for cleaning purpose, I directly use the water to clean the components of the carburetor. After cleaning, as you can see, the dust is removed, but then also there is some amount of the 3 bond sealant in the float chamber. So this will also block the needle as well as the main jet and the slow jet. So I am using the emery paper to clean that 3 bond sealant. I am applying some petrol on the emery paper. As you can see on the emery paper, there is a small particles of the 3 bond sealant. Again, I am look after the float chamber packing place so that there should not be any kind of debris of the 3 bond sealant. Cleaning the carburetor help us to give us proper performance, drivability and proper handling of the vehicle. It also help us to improve the mileage of an vehicle. So carburetor tune-up is necessary after 3 to 4,000 kilometers of the motorcycle, whereas carburetor cleaning need to be done after 5,000 to 6,000 kilometers. If your vehicle is running in the dusty area or the mud area, then it should be cleaned as early as possible. Now, as you have seen, the carburetor is very dirty internally. I am cleaning with the petrol. I am cleaning the passage of the carburetor with the help of toothbrush. Clean the carburetor internally first and then clean it externally. Now I am cleaning it internally. While cleaning the carburetor from internal sides, don't remove the air control screw as well as the idle screw from the carburetor, so as that the outside dirt will get entered into that passage of the carburetor. So after cleaning the internally and externally, you can remove the air screw as well as the idling screw of the carburetor. Now after cleaning the internally, I am cleaning with the thinner 1000. After applying the thinner on the carburetor, the outside grease and dirt material is easily removed. And if doesn't it remove, use some kinds of screwdriver or sharpening area, that the area will be clean with the help of thinner. I am putting some amount of thinner in the holes of the air screw as well as the main jet and the slow jet, so that the passage will get clean easily. This type of dirty carburetor requires more fuel as well as more thinner to clean externally as well as internally. Around half a liter of the fuel is consumed for cleaning this carburetor. After cleaning, I will clean directly with the water pressure. As you can see, I am using the waters directly to clean the carburetor so that the outside and the inside dirt can be easily removed. Many technicians uses the compressed air, but I don't have the compressed air, so directly I will use the water only to clean the carburetor. Let it dry and clean with the help of air, cleaning the float pin hole, main jet, slow jet, air control screw, idle screw and other holes which are in the carburetor. Now you can see that I am cleaning the fuel hole and passing the air and from the other side I can check the voice of the air. Then you can check the amount of air passing through the hole directly. After cleaning complete carburetor and their holes, now refit the carburetor. Now this is the gasket of the float chamber, which cost around 40 rupees, which is genuine part of the Hero Honda. I will place on the float chamber of the carburetor because the mechanic had used the 3 bond to remove the leakage, but the leakage doesn't stop. Now this is the original gasket of the float chamber, and there are some slots available on the float chamber as well as on the gasket. Apply properly on the gasket. Check for the slots on the float chamber and fit it properly. After assembly of the float gasket, refit the carburetor properly with the help of the 2 screws. Confirm the gasket is properly fit on the float chamber. Now slow jet tied with the plier. Next to it, it's a main jet. After fitting both the jet, takes the float as well as the float pin, that is the needle valve. Place it in the hole properly of the carburetor and place the steel rod properly in the carburetor. Check for the play of the float pin. It may get stuck while fitting the float. Apply after fitting the carburetor, refit the accelerator cable properly. Before fitting the carburetor on the inlet manifold, clean the air filter rubber pipe. As you can see, I am cleaning the air filter pipe internally with the cloth. There is a lot of black greasy oily material that it should be clean during the service period. Now this vehicle is not serviced for a long time, that's why there is a lot of dirt and greasy material. As you can see, a lot of dirt on the cloth. It should be clean before installation of the carburetor. Now I had fitted the carburetor. Apply the gasket in between the inlet manifold and the carburetor. Check for the marking on the carburetor as well as the gasket. Fit the carburetor with the help of 8 mm bolt from the both sides, and in this way you can clean the carburetor properly at your home. This is the easy technique that you can clean the carburetor properly.